What's going on, all you chowderheads? It's your buddy Tank here with my wife Katie, and
hi.
Today we're at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna go around, see what rides we can get on. We're trying really hard this trip not to get Genie Plus.
It's gonna happen.
I hope not, but we have the park hopper. Hopefully we can spread out our days, spread out our time, get our rest when we can, so we can enjoy the parks. But stick around and follow us while we go walk around and explore Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Bye.
Say again?
Yeah,
Oh, you can give people tips and tricks about it.
wear shorts. Don't wear leggings like me.
Wear shorts, don't wear leggings. Yes.
Get the ones that have the little shorts underneath.
Yeah, get the ones that have the little shorts underneath. Yeah.
Then for those of you little chunkies like me, your thighs don't rub together, and then you don't get the swass either.
Can I put swass in this? I'm going to. There's always something special about Animal Kingdom, you know, deep within my heart and my memories as a kid coming to Disney World. It's just a different experience from all the other parks, honestly.
I just like seeing Doug and Kevin.
So if you guys are coffee lovers, like my wife and I are, they have a Starbucks in Animal Kingdom. When you walk into Animal Kingdom, you're gonna walk towards the Tree of Life. When you get in front of the Tree of Life, take a left. Stay to the right, and straight ahead, you'll see a sign that says Creature Comforts. That's actually a Starbucks in there. I love how they randomly have these boats come by with the characters on it. Nico and Pocahontas.
Don't know about that yet. I'll take a pic since it's a rarity to get these ones.
Pocahontas! Hey! The Nico! Hi! Hey! Hey, pretty girl. Stop. Ty, is this your favorite ride?
Definitely one of my favorites.
Do you really like it, or are you just saying it?
It's up there. Cool animatronics, great visuals. Definitely one of my top 3 here.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing down there? Vivian. Hi, big girl. Look at her standing and walking. Hi, there's a happy girl. How long did we wait for?
30 minutes. Even though the sign said 45.
What's the name of this ride?
Navi River. I was texting Nathan this morning, told him.
He's videotaping me. I'm like a kid on Christmas. I'm like, oh my god.
Ting lao
This is unbelievable. Yeah, you got it. Katie, you tall enough for this ride?
Just made it.
So we got wicked lucky. The wait time this morning for Flight of Passage was 145 minutes.
Yep.
We went on Navi River Journey, first ride. We came off and we noticed that for some reason the time for Flight of Passage was 50 minutes. So if you can get on this ride under 60 minutes, it's totally worth it. So we thought we were gonna have to buy Genie Plus for the lightning lanes today, and so far we haven't had to. So everything's working out this trip without having to pay extra to cut the line. So the standby time over at Flight of Passage said 50 minutes, but how long did we actually wait?
49.
49 minutes. Not too bad. Awesome ride. It's definitely a must do.
Oh yeah, Sivako.
Sivako. So, just came back to the room, trying to take it easy. Probably go swimming in the pool, relax. Just yesterday was way too much. Doing all day Epcot and spending the night at Magic Kingdom without taking a break. So, another pro tip, try, if you can, and go back to your hotel and chill out. Just for like an hour or two. Get off your feet, relax. So tonight, we're gonna end up going to Epcot probably. Walk around World Showcase, eat some food, drink some drinks. You don't have to rush. If you get the park hopper, you can do whatever you want. Don't feel like you have to be pressured into buying that Genie Plus or paying for lightning lanes, because so far, this whole trip, we haven't had to pay extra for the rides. Something to think about. I'm gonna get into my bathing suit. I'm gonna go swimming, hang out with the family. I'll see you after.